Now guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the inversion filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, and this is a trending filter, so check in the trending section, swipe up. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and touch on the screen. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, let me close this. You can go to discover and you can search for inverted. Okay, and as you can see on the first row, you can see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and you can use this effect. Okay, likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, let me go back. You can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon. Okay, and you need to open this with TikTok app. So tap on the open app option on the top right of the screen, or you can tap on this record button at the bottom of the screen. Do whatever you want. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.